5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 seeks to replace the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 full stop. The CRPC provides for the procedure for arrest, prosecution and bail full stop. BNSS mandates forensic investigation for offences punishable with 7 years of imprisonment or more full stop. Forensic experts will visit crime scenes to collect forensic evidence and record the process full stop. All trials, inquiries and proceedings may be held in electronic mode full stop. Production of electronic communication devices likely to contain digital evidence will be allowed for investigation, inquiry or trial full stop stanza. If a proclaimed offender has absconded to evade trial and there is no immediate prospect of arresting him, the trial can be conducted and judgment pronounced in his absence full stop. Along with specimen signatures or handwriting, finger impressions and voice samples may be collected for investigation or proceedings full stop. Samples may be taken from a person who has not been arrested full stop. The BNSS allows up to 15 days of police custody which can be authorized in parts during the initial 40 or 60 days period of judicial custody full stop. This may lead to denial of bail for the entire period if the police has not exhausted the 15 days custody full stop. The powers to attach property from proceeds of crime does not have safeguards provided in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act full stop. The CRPC provides for bail for an accused who has been detained for half the maximum imprisonment for the offence full stop stanza. The BNSS denies this facility for anyone facing multiple charges full stop, as many cases involve charges under multiple sections. This may limit such bail full stop. The use of handcuffs is permitted in a range of cases including economic offences contradicting Supreme Court directions full stop. The BNSS allows evidence collected by retired or transferred investigating officers to be presented by their successors full stop. This violates normal rules of evidence when the author of the document can be cross-examined full stop. Recommendations of high-level committees on changes to the CRPC such as reforms in sentencing guidelines and codifying rights of the accused have not been incorporated in the BNSS full stop stanza. The Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is a procedural law established for the administration of the Indian Penal Code 1860 full stop. It governs the procedure for investigation, arrest, prosecution and bail for offences full stop. The CRPC was first passed in 1861 to address the problem of multiplicity of legal systems in India full stop. Since then, it has been revised on multiple occasions full stop. In 1973, the erstwhile Act was repealed and replaced by the existing CRPC and changes like anticipatory bail were introduced full stop. It was amended in 2005 to add changes such as provisions for plea bargaining and rights of arrested persons full stop stanza. Over the years, the Supreme Court has interpreted the CRPC in varied ways and revised its application full stop. These include mandating the registration of an FIR if the complaint relates to a cognizable offence, making arrests an exception when the punishment is less than 7 years of imprisonment, ensuring bail for bailable offence is an absolute and indefeasible right and no discretion is exercised in such matters full stop. The court has also ruled on procedural aspects such as establishing guidelines for custodial interrogations and emphasizing the importance of speedy trials full stop. However, the criminal justice system continues to face challenges like case backlogs, trial delays and concerns about treatment of underprivileged groups. Full stop. Stanza. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 was introduced on August 11, 2023 to replace the CRPC. Full stop. It amends provisions on bail, expands the scope of property seizure and alters powers of the police and magistrates. Full stop. The bill has been examined by the Standing Committee on Home Affairs. Full stop. The CRPC governs the procedural aspects of criminal justice in India. Full stop. The key features of the Act include. Full stop. The CRPC classifies offences into two categories, cognizable and non-cognizable. Full stop. Cognizable offences are those in which the police can arrest and initiate an investigation without a warrant. Full stop. Non-cognizable offences require a warrant and in some cases a complaint by the victim or third party. Full stop. The CRPC deals with various types of criminal offences ranging from traffic violations to murder. Full stop. It distinguishes between bailable and non-bailable offences, specifying the offences for which an accused has the right to bail from police custody. Full stop. As per the CRPC, if an accused has spent half of the maximum period of imprisonment in detention, he must be released on personal bond. Full stop. This does not apply to offences punishable by death. Full stop. The bill adds that this provision will also not apply to offences punishable by life imprisonment and persons against whom proceedings are pending in more than one offence. Full stop. Stanza. The CRPC allows medical examination of the accused in certain cases, including rape cases. Full stop. Such examination is done by a registered medical practitioner on the request of at least a sub-inspector level police officer. Full stop. The bill provides that any police officer can request such an examination. Full stop. The bill mandates forensic investigation for offences punishable with at least 7 years of imprisonment. Full stop. In such cases, forensic experts will visit crime scenes to collect forensic evidence and record the process on mobile phone or any other electronic device. Full stop. If a state does not have forensic facility, it shall utilize such facility in another state. Full stop. The CRPC empowers a magistrate to order any person to provide specimen signatures or handwriting. Full stop. The bill expands this to include finger impressions and voice samples. Full stop. It allows these samples to be collected from a person who has not been arrested. Full stop. Stanza. The bill prescribes timelines for various procedures. Full stop. For instance, it requires medical practitioners who examine rape victims to submit their reports to the investigating officer within 7 days. Full stop. Other specified timelines including giving judgment within 30 days of completion of arguments, informing the victim of progress of investigation within 90 days, and framing of charges by a Sessions Court within 60 days from the first hearing on such charges. Full stop. Stanza. The CRPC establishes a hierarchy of courts for the adjudication of criminal matters in India. Full stop. Subordinate courts responsible for the trial of most criminal cases, Sessions Court prescribed over by a session judge, and hear appeals from magistrates courts. High courts have inherent jurisdiction to hear and decide criminal cases and appeals, and Supreme Court hear appeals from high courts and also exercise its original jurisdiction in certain matters. Full stop. The CRPC empowers the state governments to notify any city or town with a population of more than 1 million as a metropolitan area. Such areas have metropolitan magistrates. Full stop. Stanza. The bill omits this provision. Full stop. The CRPC governs the powers of the police to maintain public order, prevent crimes, and undertake criminal investigations. Full stop. These powers include arrests, detention, search, seizure, and use of force. Full stop. These powers are subject to restrictions to safeguard individuals from misuse of police powers leading to excessive use of force, illegal detentions, custodial torture, and abuse of authority. Full stop. The Supreme Court has also issued various guidelines to prevent such arbitrary exercise of police powers. Full stop. The bill amends the provisions related to detention, police custody, and use of handcuffs, which may present some issues. Full stop. The Constitution and CRPC prohibit detention in police custody beyond 24 hours. Full stop. The magistrate is empowered to extend it up to 15 days in case investigation cannot be completed within 24 hours. Full stop.